Good morning. Thank you for tuning into your daily Wallops weather briefing for Monday, March 4th. Did see some lower clouds out there this morning. Those are finally starting to break up just a little bit, and we'll start to see some more peaks of sunshine as we go towards the late morning hours into the early afternoon. Then seeing things become cloudy to mostly cloudy overnight with a chilly air mass in place for the next several days. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday, did see a fairly seasonable day across the region. Temperatures in the upper 40s to near 50 degrees across the area. Lows this morning were just above freezing for most spots. Here at Wallops, we got to a low of 39. Did see quite a bit of rainfall across the region, including pockets of moderate to heavy rain, even a isolated rumble of thunder here and there. We did see quite a few locations receiving more than an inch or close to an inch of rain. Here at Wallops, we got to an inch and a half. Ocean City was the most at just under 1.8 inches. Dover also receiving just above an inch. More locations to our north near our nation's capital just saw around half of an inch of rain. And then we did see areas in the Tidewater to get between about a quarter to 3/4 of an inch. As of 9 a.m., seeing temperatures fairly uniform across the region, between about 37 to 39 under cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we are seeing those winds northwesterly at the surface up to about 3,000 feet, running 20 to 30 knots between that 1,000 and 3,000 foot level. Then seeing those winds shift more westerly at 6,000 feet, around 45 knots, and then remaining west-southwesterly throughout the column up to 25,000 feet, maxing out at 72 knots at that 25,000 foot level. Seeing a freezing level this morning between 1,500 and 2,000 feet. Taking a quick look at our satellite loop across the area this morning, we saw that large front move across the area with that area of rain that's pushed well offshore now this morning. Still seeing some lingering low-level clouds throughout the morning here. We'll continue to see those lower clouds slowly scour out. You can see that area of some mid and upper level cloudiness starting to move across the area, and as that area of low clouds shifts or dissipates across the region, we'll just be seeing those mid to upper level clouds with some peaks of sun as we go towards the late morning hours and into the early afternoon as we start to have some high pressure building into the area. Taking a look at our surface analysis, there's that front that brought us the rain well offshore. High pressure will slowly build in throughout the next couple of days here. That's going to give us a more winter-like air mass returning to the region, as well as some drier air. We're going to see those winds slightly breezy at times in the next couple days as we get that pressure gradient tightening as that high pressure starts to build into the area, and then not seeing any chances of precipitation again until we get to the end of the work week. So taking a look at our forecast charts here, we are going to be seeing things cloud up a bit, expecting the overcast deck near 4,000 or 5,000 feet as we go into later tonight, as high pressure still slowly moves in. We got some lower level moisture across the area. Then as we go into tomorrow, going to be seeing things slowly dry out. We are going to be having that colder air mass moving to the area, so we are expecting unseasonably cold temperatures the next couple of days as that cold high pressure make its way into the region. As we go into Monday and Tuesday, we're going to see that pressure gradient tighten up just a little bit, seeing some slightly breezy conditions out there. Going to be seeing just a dry cold front move through the region Tuesday. That's just going to help to increase the winds really and give us a reinforcing shot of cold air. Not expecting any sort of precipitation at all as that moves through the region. Then on Wednesday, we'll start to have high pressure really establish itself across the East Coast, and that'll help to calm those winds down, continuing to give us a colder air mass. And as we go towards the end of the work week, we'll see that high pressure start to shift offshore, and then that'll start to give us a warm-up as we go towards the weekend. But we are going to be expecting rain this weekend yet again. Taking a look at our forecast chart for today, going to be seeing northwesterly winds around 10 to 15 knots with a slightly higher gust throughout the day. Not expecting a wind advisory, however. Those northwesterly winds will weaken as we go into tonight, becoming 5 to 10 knots overnight, and then shifting a little more northerly as we go towards the pre-dawn hours of Tuesday at 4 to 9 knots. We are expecting a temperature today of 47 degrees, just a couple degrees below average for this time of year, and expecting a cold low tomorrow around 27. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we are going to be seeing those lower level clouds scour out slowly as we go towards the late morning hours, and then by early afternoon seeing just a few at 2,500 scattered at 4,000, and that broken cirrus deck And as we go into this evening after sunset, going to be seeing that cloud deck near 4,500 feet re-thicken across the area, becoming overcast after 9 p.m. And then by mid-morning tomorrow, seeing a few clouds near 4,500 feet scattered at 7,500 and a broken deck of mid-level clouds near 15,000 feet. We are seeing some higher tides out there this morning with 1 foot above normal. For tomorrow, going to be mostly cloudy yet again across the area. It is going to be a cold high running, seeing temperatures around 10 degrees below normal. High is only going to be around 39 degrees. Tuesday night into Wednesday going to be slightly breezy as we get a pressure gradient tightening up across the region. Also going to be rather cold across the region, expecting a low of 24 for Tuesday night, then Wednesday even colder than Tuesday, looking at a high of 37 degrees. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, we are going to be seeing a fairly seasonable day today with a high of 47. Then those next few days, Tuesday through Thursday, temperatures are going to be below average as we have that cold air mass settled in across the region. Then as that high pressure starts to move east of the area Thursday night into Friday, we are going to be seeing those winds shift more southerly. We are going to be having a weak system move south of the Delmarva as we go into Friday. And that's going to be moving into the area Friday morning, giving us rain chances throughout the day on Friday. Looks like just some light precipitation with this system. Can't rule out that we might see a wintry mix started off early Friday, but right now it looks like it's just mostly going to be a rain event, possibly a little bit of sleet here and there as we get into Friday morning. That system is going to move east of the area as we go into Saturday, and that will help to continue warming things up as we get ahead of our next front and expect to impact us on Sunday. So expecting a fairly seasonable day under mostly cloudy skies for Saturday with a high of 51. And then Sunday does look like we're going to have another front sweep through the area. That's going to give us some periods of moderate to perhaps briefly heavy rain on Sunday. Also going to be much warmer with a high of 60. Perhaps even seeing another isolated rumble of thunder out there as that front moves through the area on Sunday. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.